Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to this midweek analysis. Today is Wednesday, 16th of August. In a way, this week has seen only one trading session. There was a holiday yesterday, but then that one session was very interesting and important. Now we can see a hammer in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, which got printed. And from there, for next couple of days or 3 days, how do we expect market to behave? Let us find out in this short 7 to 8 minutes video. Let me just take you quickly on to the WhatsApp group for the message which was shared on a Monday. So Monday 14th, yeah. On this day, the expectations Nifty range may be 19,300 to 19,650 and Bank Nifty range 44,000 to 45,200. After spending entire week in a slow moving correction, Nifty is near SAP and we need a consecutive close below SAP. That's what the expectation was. Expecting a gap down in indices, we got a gap down on that day. Considering market holiday, a quick fall possible today as we have a Fin Nifty expiry or on Wednesday. We'll look for a shorting opportunity in IndusInd Bank and HDFC Bank. This was my expectation. Now, we expect a lot of things from market, but the market has to oblige accordingly. So after my message at about 8:30 here, market opened gap down, and from there at about 9:45, immediately I mentioned that both indices are oversold on 4-hourly time frame. Candle closes as 1:15 p.m. So keep an eye on lower wicks bounce possible. And then a follow-up message. Yeah, so this is a follow-up message wherein I mentioned about this can be a bullish retracement and this is a bearish retracement to the bullish retracement. So a bounce possible in the second half. This was the expectation. This is the price. 19,353 was the price over here. 19,353 and we closed somewhere around 19,434. So we got a 100-point bounce here in case of Nifty. So this message was shared around 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. and we got a bounce onwards to that. It was typically on a 5-minute time frame. So this is the bounce that I was talking about. This is the bounce that we were talking about. So after this bounce, now I feel that the upside is limited. And then very quickly, we should get to see a next leg of fall, right? So the next leg of fall should bring us again below 19,410. Guys, remember we need a daily closing below 19,410. Bank Nifty is already below semi-annual pivot. So this is the semi-annual pivot at around 45,000 level, and from there we are far below, about 1,000 points below from this level, but Nifty is still lingering around semi-annual pivots. Let us go quickly to Nifty chart and identify what do we expect. So as per Nifty chart, we have a bearish target of 19,160 which is pending and which is very well possible if we get a lower high somewhere here around 19,500 odd level. If you guys remember, this is a SAP reaction zone that we have drawn, and the SAP reaction zone which is where the price currently is. So unless and until it is below SAP reaction zone, we don't need to create any kind of aggressive short. I'll just drag this level close to the price right now so that it will be easier for us to trade on the basis of this. So this is SAP reaction zone. I'll just log this. And once the price is below this level, then we can see this 19,160 getting completed very quickly. As for Bank Nifty, we have already completed the lower part of the range. So the next obvious target comes to 43,500 and 43,350. So this is what I'm expecting. Again today, it is possible that we may see a gap down. If in today's session we get a close below Monday's low, then that can be very helpful for this bearish trade. So a strong support that can be seen around 43,300 or 350 odd level, and from there again we may see some kind of a bounce. This is what the expectation is. So we'll observe the market carefully, and if we get a favorable trade, then one can enter. Bank Nifty can be a better trade in my opinion. Nifty, if it is below SAP and SAP reaction zone, it can also be a better trade. So trade wisely. At this point in time, when Nifty is above SAP and Bank Nifty is below SAP, I would wish you be little cautious and do not trade aggressively, right? So keep these smaller things in your mind and trade accordingly. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm signing off. Bye bye.